Hello guys! In this video I will show you how to use Google Chrome efficiently. So you can head over and then just use some bookmarks right here for your Google Chrome. It can help you navigate to any part of the website that you have or any part of web pages or articles that you want to take back into. So alternatively, you can also use some extensions right here that you can choose from as well. So if you have any extension that you want to actually just use on a daily basis, you can head over and then click on this right here in order to pin them. If you want to unpin them, you can head over and then click on that as well, and then they will be unpinned. Now you can see that we already have in here some suggested websites that we can choose from. You can head over and then just click on any one of them in order to successfully go to that particular site. You can also see in here the three dots, and then those three dots will also allow you to add new tab, new window, new incognito window, as well as password history, downloads. Now on this history, you can see all the history that you have, and also when you click on this, you should be able to see all of it in full length. You can also put in here some bookmarks and lists, such as the things that you want listed or you want to take back into. You can also see in here more tools. So on more tools, you can put in here some reading modes, task manager, and developer tools that will allow you to use Google Chrome more efficiently. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I will try my best to answer. Thanks.